Admonition 16. Whenever a man disputes with one who is more learned than himself, to make people know of his learning, they will know that he is ignorant. If one better than thyself begins to speak, although thou mayest know better, contradict him not. Now, haven't you seen a lot of any of those debates and all that stuff where, you know, it's not about the point as much as the person? It's like, oh, why are you using that argument? All this stuff. I found out that somebody was speaking against a church that I spent, over a dozen years in, and this guy ends up speaking about others, and he mixes up things on purpose, and straight up lies, but it's all about making himself seem the superior